Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video we're going to fix one of the most annoying Windows errors. The application was unable to start correctly. This error appears when you try to open any app or program, and it simply refuses to launch. Don't worry, today I'll show you the real, working method step by step so you can open your apps again without any problems. So let's get started. Step 1. Enable .NET Framework. First, press Windows + R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type Optional Features and click OK. A new window will appear called Windows Features. Here, enable these two options: .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 4.7/4.8 Advanced Services, whichever version your PC shows. Now click OK. Windows will automatically download the required files and install .NET Framework on your PC. This step is important because many apps rely on .NET to run properly. Wait for the installation to finish and then click Close. Step 2. Fix system issues using CMD. Now open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the command prompt, type this command: check disk /f/r and press Enter. This command checks your disk for errors and fixes corrupted system files that may be causing error 0xc0000005. After the scan is complete, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Step 3. Try opening the application again. After your system restarts, try opening the same application again. In most cases, the error 0xc0000005 should now be completely fixed, and the app will launch normally without any problem. I hope this video solved your issue. If it helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.